Alright, this is the Russell truck stop. It's at exit 369, and I would definitely check it out. This is one really clean truck stop, guys. I've actually never stopped here beyond the fuel desk. They have a car museum here. This is just a little taste of it. The car museum doesn't open till 7:30 in the morning, and it closes at 10:30 at night, which doesn't do me any good whatsoever, but I would love to get in there. I used to have a bike just like that. And you're probably thinking, maybe you've stopped here. I've never stopped anywhere in all these years, so I've got a lot of catching up to do on my sightseeing. I know it's crazy, but it's true. I've been everywhere and never stopped more than a few minutes. There's the hours of operation. Of course, the restaurant's closed, but they have a Subway's closed too. They have all kinds of handy stuff here. A lot better than a Petro or something, pretty much. And this is really neat. I like all the die-cast cars and such. They surround the whole place. That's really cool. If I was going to be stuck somewhere on a weekend, this would be a good place. They may even have alcohol. I should check that. No, I don't see any alcohol, guys. At the BYOB thing.